In this video, we're going to learn about coordinates. First of all, we want to give the coordinates of point A. To work out the coordinates of point A, I always begin at 0, 0, which is the origin, and I look at how far I have to go to get to A. So first of all, I look at how far I have to go along what we call the x-axis, and I know I need to go 1, 2 jumps. So that means the first coordinate of A, the x coordinate, is 2. I then put a comma and I count how far up I have to go. And as we can see in A, I need to go up 6 places. So the coordinates of A are 2, 6 in brackets. Similarly, the coordinates of B, to go from 0, so from this middle point, or the origin as we call it, I need to go 7 places to the left. So that means I have -7 as my x-coordinate, and then I have to go 3 places up, so my y-coordinate is 3. If I want to actually plot the points myself, for example C, which is at 6, 5, I would need to go across 6 places, and then up 5 places. When I get to that point, I neatly as I can draw a cross and label it C. Finally, the point D, to get there, I need to go across from 0, 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I have to go down 6. The reason it's down 6 is because there's a minus in front of the 6. I put a cross and I write down D as neat as I can. In this question, we need to plot a point so that the shape made will be a parallelogram. We want to plot the point D so that the shape ABCD is a parallelogram. Now, what that will look like is something like this, if I just do a sketch. We will have corners or vertices A, B, C, and D, and when you join them up, you want to have drawn a parallelogram, which is a shape where the top and bottom sides are parallel, and the left and right sides, if you like, are parallel to each other as well, like this. So what I'm going to do is draw, what I would do is get a ruler, so the equivalent is going to be a straight line for me. So I'm going to go from A to B, and then what I'm going to do, I would take my ruler across, leaving it exactly as it was in terms of the direction, take it over to C, and I'm going to see where the bottom point would need to be, and we can see it would be exactly here. Now we can see that if I join up A to B, B to C, and then C to the point that I've just drawn, and then back to A again, we have a nice parallelogram. So I'm going to call that point D, and the coordinates of D are across 5 and up 1. So we say D, open bracket, 5, 1, close bracket. Here is a question for you to try. Please pause the video now and have a go, and when you're ready for the answer, press play. If you're unsure about special triangles, please have a look at the video on special triangles to help you. Here are the answers. Part A is quite straightforward, but you might have been a bit confused by Part B. In Part B, to draw the triangle ABE, we need to join up A and B and the point E, which you should have been able to plot. Now, if we notice, AE, so the distance from A to E, and the distance from B to E is the same, which means that this is an isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle, remember, is one where 2 of the sides are the same and the other side is different. And it will be the same for triangles ABF and ABG.